Welcome to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, the gateway to the Smoky Mountains and one of the most unique towns in America. I'm going to show you the highlights that make this little mountain town such a favorite destination. Downtown Gatlinburg is full of energy with its main strip lined with shops, restaurants, and attractions. You'll find everything from cozy mountain stores to quirky souvenir spots, with crowds that give the town a lively, almost carnival-like feel. Food is a big part of the Gatlinburg experience. Pancake houses are everywhere, along with candy shops, fudge, ice cream, and of course, those Tennessee moonshine tastings. Whether you're after comfort food or a sweet treat, there's always something nearby to try. What makes Gatlinburg truly special is its setting. Right at the edge of town, you can step into the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. It's the most visited national park in the United States, with hiking, waterfalls, and stunning views just minutes from downtown. Beyond the shops and restaurants, Gatlinburg offers plenty of attractions. You can ride the sky lift and walk across the famous Sky Bridge, visit Anakeesta for mountain views and adventure, or explore Ripley's Aquarium at the Smokies. There's something for everyone here. This was a quick look at Gatlinburg, a town that mixes mountain charm with endless things to see and do. If you'd like to experience Gatlinburg, check out my full 90-minute walking tour. I'll leave the link at the end of this video and in the comments below. Thanks for watching. This is Ginger with Grounded Cabin. Make sure you subscribe. If you don't mind hitting the like button on this, I sure would appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.